Alright, welcome back to Unboxing Haven. Today we're gonna be taking a look at Apple's new M1 MacBook Pro 13.3-inch laptop. So basically it comes with a 8-core, 8GB LPDDR3 memory, and it has 512GB SSD, and this is Space Gray 2020 model, late 2020 model, 2560 by 16 Retina display, and it comes with all the accessories, default accessories that MacBook comes with. It comes with a brick. I think that's what it is, still a brick and a wire. Pretty much that's it. But what I like most about this one is the touch bar. The touch bar is so convenient, ease of use, makes everything easy. So in the touch bar, you can program it to your favorite liking. You can add apps to it, the ones you use mostly, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So this MacBook, it's a sleek design, just like Apple always keeps it. They don't give you colors and anything. They just have it silver, space gray. So it comes with a 2 Thunderbolt 3.0 and a headphone jack. Now, audio-wise, it's normal, just like any other MacBook. But what got me is that touch bar. When I use it, it makes things so easier for me. In each different application, it has different use. You can browse. If you open up a browser, you can use it to open up different tabs, going back and forth between different applications. That's why I got this MacBook Pro. It's just because of the touch bar, and it makes things easier for me. So basically, when you're playing a YouTube video or a music, you have options on the touch bar to fast forward, go to your favorite spot in the music video, or if you want to control a volume, it's so easy to use. Just tap on it and boom, you're done. And also, the power button is a fingerprint reader, which is awesome. So this is just a short introduction to Apple's M1 MacBook Pros, but I will do some thorough testing on this with video editing and everything. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel to see more awesome content. And thanks for watching.